Hello everybody, it's me, Life on Andrew Dinosaur, and Jojo Dinosaur is gone today. But that's okay. Anyways, today I'm going to be doing part probably 8. No clue what part this is, but we're going to be doing blah 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 blah. We're going to be doing Lego Friends Carnival set build set. I don't know. Anyways, so we're still working on the carnival ride thing. So let's get this party started. Okay, so let's put this bad boy down. And I know I'm wearing the same clothes in everyone is because this is actually a sweater. So like my real shirt, you know, and I always make my videos in the same place, but it's just easier for me. Anyways, let's get this party started. Now we're going to put this baby down. Now we're going to take like these box kind of shaped things. Where do we take? Okay, yeah. So we're going to take 3 of these. Put them on. Get out of here. So he kind of almost looks like that kind of looks like a cute beds. That looks like little beds. That's kind of cute. And then we're going to take I'll be right back looking for the pieces. As soon as I shut off the camera, I found them. So I got 2 of these black pieces. And we need an orange piece. What? Let's get this party started. Oh, I did it wrong. I did them on the wrong side. Oopsies. Ah! Get back here. No, I can't lose you. I have to put on my flashlight. There it is. Okay. Alright, so I just need to switch these around. Put them right here. Oops. Boink, doink. Boink. And then boink. Okay. Then we gotta take these. Put them on the end just like that. Just like that. And then we're going to take a single orange piece and one of these orange pieces. Oh, we're going to take 2 of each. Then we're going to just put this right there because there's outward facing studs on there. Just going to boink. This is, I don't know what this is supposed to be so far, but it's looking pretty good, whatever it is. I actually never thought you could do this many things with Legos that people figure out. It's amazing. It's actually super cool. And also, I don't know if you guys know, but I'm actually when I film, I'm always myself usually. So none of it's fake. I usually just let Jacob do whatever he wants. You know, sometimes I'll tell him things to do because, you know. But most of the time we just act like ourselves. And I think that's what everyone should do, just be yourself. Especially on camera. So unless obviously you don't have to, but I'm always myself because I just feel like that's what you need to do. So, we're going to take this, and we're going to take this. Then I'm going to take... I don't even know what's going on here. But I'm just doing what it says, so... What is this supposed to be? So I made this weird little contraption. And you're supposed to... So I don't even know what this is supposed to be, honestly. I'm really confused what's going on. This is what it says, so I did that. Now we need... So I'm just going to talk to you guys. I just want to say thank you guys for whoever has subscribed. I really appreciate it. I would love to become a famous YouTuber, but obviously that's going to take like a long time. But still, I would love to do that. Can't seem to find the pieces. Alright, so we're gonna take 2 of these. Anyways, there's this person, her name is Haley Collar. She subscribed to me, and very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sisto. You get me? And I don't really know what else to say. Takes me a while to find all the pieces. Oops. Force of the night. It's time for today's spiritual breathe. Okay, let's do that a little later. Okay, so we need 2 more of those white thingies. Okay. But anyways, I played this game called I can't think of it. But it's just like, oh, it's called Sims. It's really fun. You guys should check it out. Sims 4. But I don't have Sims 4, so I just play Sims Mobile. It's pretty much just the same. But you have to have a certain kind of computer for Sims 4. Why won't this get on? So I don't have a certain kind of computer, so I just have to play Sims Mobile, which is still a really good one. Still really fun. You know what I mean. It's appropriate for kids. What now, phone? Evening prayer, okay. Okay. It's time for me to do my reading in my Bible. Okay, what am I doing again? So, I'm just kind of blanking out and doing this. Why won't these connect? These Legos. They're not very good. You can do it, buddy. You can do it. Could you imagine doing all this stuff with like fake nails or acrylic nails? Oh, I could not stand that. I love fake nails and I wear them all the time. Like, glue on nails, but I'm not that professional. I don't wear like acrylic nails and stuff. But I could. Just don't want to. Perfect, we made whatever this is. I'm still so confused what this is. Oh, okay. So this is for them. I think this is like a little ride so far. They can just sit down. Mia was testing it out. Go back over there, Mia. Alright, also go check out Ellie V Toys. Because, my name's Ellie and I discovered her. She does a lot of like professional Lego stuff, and that's where I got kind of inspired by her. I was like, oh, I want to start like doing Lego videos, but I'm gonna have to keep saving money because I spent $34 on this and a toaster. pretend toaster for my kitchen. Anyways. Ooh, stickers. Oh no. Oh, phew. I thought I lost them. No, I didn't lose them. That's good. Thought I lost them. So we're gonna stick the little mouth on for the little monster. And then I'm gonna stick these eyes on. Oop, these look like mean eyes. These are better. These are cute. Alright, so we're just gonna stick those on. Aww, he's so cute. So open it up and take a look. 'Cause discovered that the king could be a crook. Just gonna stick this right on the front. Look how cute this is. Look at how good I'm doing. I'm kind of proud of myself, you know. Did I do this right? No, I did not do it right. Oh, what's wrong with me? I didn't even do it right. No. No. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell. Can't hit the bell once again, but subscribe if you want, like if you want. Anyways, I'll see you on part probably 9. Bye!